Malacañang says vaccines from Sinovac will finally arrive on Sunday. The Chinese pharmaceutical company was granted an emergency use authorization by the Food and Drug Administration earlier this week. Let's get more details about this. Maricel Halili will be joining us live from Mandaluyong. Mase, will the shipment include all 600,000 Sinovac doses as promised?
Yes, Riza, that is what we're expecting this coming Sunday. Presidential spokesperson Harry Roque said that finally around 600,000 doses of Sinovac will be arriving this coming Sunday. These are all donations from the Chinese government. 100,000 doses of those will be directly inoculated to the members of the armed forces.
Mase, we have some questions here. What assurance did the palace give to the public regarding CoronaVac's safety and efficacy?
Riza, earlier today, presidential spokesperson Harry Roque reiterates that there's an assurance that it is safe to use, particularly Sinovac, the vaccine which will come from China. He said that the threshold of the World Health Organization is about 50%. So it means that the 50.4% efficacy rate of Sinovac is not a cause of concern. He actually explained that in Brazil, the reason why the efficacy rate is only 50.4% is because they concentrated on healthcare workers exposed on COVID-19 patients. Of course, if a person is more exposed on virus, they are more vulnerable to get COVID-19. But Secretary Roque said 50% is better than no protection at all.
Mase, how about the other brands of vaccines? Are there any updates?
Unfortunately, we still don't have exact date regarding the arrival of other brands of vaccines, particularly those vaccines which will come from the COVAX facility. During the public address of President Duterte last night, Secretary Galvez mentioned that they are still negotiating with these vaccines which will come from the COVAX facility, particularly on the indemnity agreement. Secretary Galvez mentioned that they do not want to waive the blanket protection that the Pfizer and AstraZeneca and other Western vaccines are asking. He feels that it is important that to acknowledge gross negligence, if there is, from the vaccine makers.